Hey guys, happy first day of Vlogmas. This is seriously so crazy. So it is currently Friday, November 29th. It is the weekend before Vlogmas starts. So on Sunday, December 1st, that is officially the first day of Vlogmas, which is when this video is going up. I'm so excited. I just thought it would be fun to do a weekend in my life vlog for that first one, just because there's a lot of prep work that goes into Vlogmas that I thought I would share with you guys in this video. And I got a few packages and it's just gonna be like a fun, busy weekend. Yesterday was Thanksgiving, which was crazy, and it was just like a good kind of crazy. But I'm excited to bring you guys along with me. It is currently like 4:30. Honestly, I woke up at noon. I just kind of been like in a food coma from yesterday trying to get stuff done, but I just thought I would be more productive vlogging and everything. So that is the game plan. In case you guys are new to my channel, hi, I'm Kelly. I like to make fashion videos and just like lifestyle videos as well. I am a freshman in college. It's a lot of fun and I would love for you guys to hit that subscribe button so you can get notified. I am doing Vlogmas, like I mentioned. It's like daily videos, which is a lot of fun, and I do that often on my channel as well. But first things first, I need to get dressed because we're gonna film some sit-down Vlogmas videos for those days that I'm not vlogging. My clothing rack is currently like a hot mess just because it had like sponsored posts, and then my outfits for the week, I had some Thanksgiving outfits. It's just like a crazy mess right now, and then I have a bunch of PR stuff on the bottom, which I want to share with you guys a few of these packages as well. But I'm going to put on a cute top, then I'll share you guys a few packages that I recently got, and then we're going to set up the filming area and start filming. It is just like a hot mess right now. This is the fit for tonight slash today, I guess. So this sweater is from Polo Ralph Lauren. It's actually like a men's polo. It's just kind of like one of those like borrowed from the boys look. And then I have on some ripped up skinny jeans that are from Abercrombie, and my favorite little brown boots. I have no idea where they're from, but I love them. Super cute outfit. And then I just have on my cute little heart necklace. Super simple, but I want to share with you guys what I got in the mail because I got 2 packages today and I thought it'd be fun to do a little unboxing. Okay, we're like balancing on my nightstand right now. I pulled out one of the drawers and you're like resting on the edge of it, so let's hope this works. But the first package that I got is from LUXSB. It's luxury scent box. I'm so excited. Their packaging is so pretty. I saw this in the mail and I'm like, I hope this package is for me. And then I also got another one from Daniel Wellington. So this one is a perfume subscription company. I worked with a similar company 2 years ago. Absolutely love it because they come in these cute little travel size cases, which I will show you. I'm going to open it up. They reached out to me and I'm super excited to try them out. So I got to pick out 3 different scents. I got the Prada Candy, Marc Jacobs Daisy. I think there's like, it's like not the classic one, it's a new one. And then I also got a Vanilla Extreme one. They helped me pick it out based on what I said I wear because I usually wear Gucci Guilty. So they just come in these super pretty, simple black and white boxes, and then you just open it up like this. And it is a travel size perfume, which is so nice. I love these because you can put them in your purse, or if you're traveling, they're super convenient just to bring with you. But all you do is twist it up like this, and then you can press this down and you can twist it back and it won't leak or anything, which is so helpful. And they do come in different colors is what I've been told. So I have a green one, a blue one, and then a pink one. So these are super pretty. I think the colors change based on the time of year you get it. And that is everything that's in here. There's like this little travel case, I guess you could put in your purse if you want, just like if you're bringing that with you. They also have a little flyer on how to open and close and to refill it. Remember, I will have all the details listed down below in case you guys want to check it out, but I'm super excited to try them out and keep you guys updated on how I like them. But it is a $15 monthly subscription company. They have tons of different perfumes to choose from. I told them I personally like wearing Gucci Guilty, and they're like, you might like these, but as a member you get to pick out your own scent, so that's super cool. Or you just create an account. You can do it monthly, or you can kind of set it up to your calendar. But I'm super excited to share this with you guys, and I just love having these little travel size perfumes. They're just so great to throw in your bag. But that is one of the things that I got, so thank you so much LUXSB for sending that to me. And then the next package is from Daniel Wellington, and I'm working with them for a part of their holiday campaign, which I'm so excited about. I am a huge Daniel Wellington fan. I've been working with them since 2016. I just every time get so excited about it because I love their watches and jewelry. I just think it's so timeless and so preppy. So this is the new like watch, which I have seen all over Instagram, and I'm so excited about it. Their packaging is just stunning. I love the simplicity of it. It's just so pretty. And this is the 28mm rose gold white face watch. I got to pick it out. I'm so excited about it. Here, I'm gonna pull the sticker off. Isn't that just gorgeous, you guys? Oh my gosh, I am so excited. This is so pretty. And then they also sent me one of their rings, and this is the matching ring to this watch. So it just looks like this. And open it up, and there's a little ring. It's so cute. I'm like in love with it. It says Daniel Wellington on it. And it is just a gold and white band. And I have the matching cuff for this as well. I think I'm gonna move my rings around a little bit. Whoops. Put this one over here. But oh my gosh, isn't that just so simple, so pretty? I'm so excited. I'm gonna wear this today. This is gonna go onto the outfit. Oh, it's out of focus. It's just so stinking cute. I love it. It's very like petite. I wanted something a little smaller than my Kate Spade watch, and I just thought that one would be perfect. But thank you so much for Daniel Wellington and LUXSB for sending this to me. But that was just a quick little unboxing. Now I'm going to start filming because we got to get ahead on these Vlogmas videos, and it's already like 5 o'clock and I'm getting picked up at 6. So let's hope we crush this. Hey you guys, it has been a hot minute since I updated you. It is currently like 6 o'clock. I'm going to show you guys my outfit because I did change and I'm going out tonight. It is John's birthday. I'm super excited. Let me show you guys my outfit real quick. So I just threw on this sweater top from Southern Shirt Company and some jeans that I was wearing earlier and the same boots, and just added a little belt. But my room is a hot mess. But oh my gosh, you guys, look how cute the present is. It's red. It's his favorite color. It's going to be so much fun. Look at all that pizza. So you guys, you're way too tall for this. We just got pizza. It was really good. It's John's birthday. I think we're gonna go ice skating. It's gonna happen. It's gonna be fun. Oh my goodness, you guys. It has been a hot minute. So it's currently 10 till 9. I have been gone all day. Totally forgot to charge my vlog camera battery when I got home last night. So last night I went out. It was John's birthday and I got John a cute present, which I posted a little TikTok all about it. My TikTok is just like Kellyprepster in case you guys want to check it out. I'm currently obsessed with the song Yellow Hearts, and I had to make my TikTok to that, which is just really funny. And anyways, we decided to go downtown. They were having our like Christmas tree lighting, and we thought that'd be really fun. And then we went to go get pizza, and then we were like, oh, we should go ice skating, and that's where I left you guys off. But by the time we got to the ice rink, there was only like 20 minutes until closing, and there was this huge line. So we're like, let's just explore the city and walk around and stuff. So that's what we did. It was so much fun, and I think John really liked his birthday present, which is awesome. And then I woke up at 8:30 this morning, and we had to go get our hair done, me and my mom, because we always get it done together. So I'm like super blonde again, which I'm so happy about. It was much needed. It was like getting super dark. I was there kind of almost 12:30 to be quite honest, and it was just like a fun time. We all like caught up. It's just like so much gossip at the hair salon, like if you know, you know. And so then we came home, and then I got ready because we went to a family party. So I had a family party. We were there from 2 till 6, which sounds so crazy. And then I went to a separate little get together from 6:30 to 8, and then I came home and ate dinner, which was just such a busy day, you guys. I feel like I've been gone all day and got absolutely nothing done, but it was like really nice too at the same time because I just got to catch up with my friends and family, which is really fun. But unfortunately I didn't charge my vlog camera, and then I didn't even bring my vlog camera with me. But I want to keep you guys updated with my weekend so far. So that is like a little update on what has happened today. Honestly though, I don't think I would have got much vlog footage anyways, but it was just like a really good day, and it's been a really fun weekend. But I can't believe that tomorrow is the first day of Vlogmas. Like I'm gonna sit down and edit this video next, but I thought it'd be fun to share with you guys my holiday decor in my room. I mean, it's currently like a hot mess. Like my clothing rack over here, I'm like so embarrassed by it. Thought it'd be fun to share with you guys all my holiday decor, where everything's from, just since I did decorate super early this year, and just like since it is the first vlog of Vlogmas. But I also want to share with you guys in my outfit, so I'm going to show it to you guys in my big OOTD mirror. This is the fit. I just have on this red sweater that is from Talbot's. I absolutely love it. And then I just threw on this big statement necklace from Sparkle and Whim, and then I just have on the same ripped up skinny jeans that I wore last night from Abercrombie. My belt is from Eddie Bauer, and then my cute boots are from Eastland. They are the Charlie 1955 boot. I am in love with them. They're so cute and so comfy, but I just thought this would be like a fun festive holiday outfit, but also super simple and very warm and everything. But I'm going to show you guys my holiday decor now. So over here I just have my big outfit mirror. I actually have two of these in my room, but this one I just threw on the sparkly Santa hat on the corner because I feel like that's like the only fun Santa hat to have is a sparkly one. And then I just draped these Christmas lights over my mirror, and these are all over my room. I honestly get such a nostalgic vibe with them because I did that in high school, so I just feel like I'm back in high school now. But they are from Target. I got them after the holiday last year for $1 a box, which I just thought was such a steal. Then over here, my desk chair is over here since I was doing my makeup before I left, and I have this cute little throw blanket on here. It has a little snowman on it. Honestly, none of this is festive. And then on my bed, I have these two throw pillows. They are both from HomeGoods. I love them so much. They're from the kids section like 2 years ago. And I just love how this one is blue and pink, but it's still very festive and everything, but it's not like that traditional red and green, just because I don't think that would go really well with my room. Then on this little guy, I have one of my favorite little Lily holiday stockings with a pink monogram on it. And then above my bed, I just have my monogram like normal, but I added this really fun little frilly snowflake stuff. It's kind of falling. I also draped it on this mirror, and just stuff I picked up from the craft store. You can put it like on Christmas trees or something. I just thought it'd be fun to put in my room. And then I also switched out my flowers on my nightstand. These were pink, but now they're white. And then I have this cute little Christmas tree. I think I picked this up at Target. Super inexpensive, but it leaves glitter everywhere. And then I just have this gold candle holder that I got at Target a while back. And then over on my desk, I changed my wallpaper. I found this on Pinterest. I will try my best to have it linked down below for you guys, but I just thought it was fun and festive, a little bit different than what's usually on there. I have a little mini Christmas tree. I picked this up at HomeGoods. I absolutely love it because it's already like lit, so you just have to plug it in. I have this super cute little snowman picture holder, and I just put a little Kellyprepster sticker in here, but I am getting my disposable camera pictures printed out soon, so maybe I'll have one for that. This little red ornament that I used for my Christmas bombing TikTok, which was so fun. And then I just have more of this little frilly stuff with some Christmas lights. And I have twinkle lights on my cork boards. And then the last Christmas decor piece is my Christmas snow globe, which I just think is so fun. I love having this at my desk just because it makes me so happy when I'm sitting here editing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are seriously so amazing, and I'm so excited that this is my first Vlogmas of 2019 video, which is so crazy. If you guys enjoyed it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you guys haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can get notified the next time I upload, which is tomorrow, since we're doing daily videos up until Christmas, which I just think is going to be so much fun, and I hope you guys enjoy them. And of course, if you guys have any video requests or just wanted to chat, leave a comment. I do respond back to every single one, and I love being able to talk to you guys, and I just hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Bye guys!